Here's everything you need to know about SocialRank before deciding if it's the right tool for you. Stick around because we'll also share a better alternative you can try for free. First, SocialRank helps you identify your most valuable followers on social media, making it easier to target your audience. However, tools like Sprout Social offer more comprehensive audience insights and post scheduling features. Next thing, SocialRank's user interface is simple, but it lacks advanced analytics dashboards. Competitors like Hootsuite and Buffer let you track engagement, schedule posts, and view detailed performance metrics all in one place. The third thing, SocialRank is great for small businesses focusing on Instagram and Twitter, but it doesn't support platforms like LinkedIn or Pinterest. If your business relies on a wider range of social channels, you might feel limited. The fourth thing, SocialRank offers follower segmentation by location, hashtags, and activity, which can be helpful for personalized campaigns. However, other tools provide automated insights, saving you hours of manual filtering. Next, while SocialRank is affordable, some competitors offer more features for similar pricing. For example, AgriPulse includes scheduling, reporting, and team collaboration tools at comparable costs. Another point, SocialRank lacks built-in scheduling or publishing features. You'll need to pair it with another tool if you want to manage posts and not just analyze followers. Moving on, its free plan is useful for basic needs, but most of its valuable features are locked behind a premium subscription. Alternatives like Later offer more in their free versions. The eighth thing, SocialRank doesn't include detailed reporting options. If you're looking for in-depth reports for clients or stakeholders, tools like Sprinkler or Zoho Social might be better suited. Next, collaboration features are almost non-existent. If you're part of a team, you may need to supplement SocialRank with another platform for workflows and task assignments. Another consideration, SocialRank support is limited to email. Competitors often provide live chat or even phone support for faster assistance. The 11th thing, integration options are sparse. If you use a CRM or other marketing tools, you'll find better compatibility with alternatives like HubSpot or Sendable. Finally, SocialRank is a solid option for analyzing your social followers, but is more of a niche tool. If you need an all-in-one solution that combines analytics, scheduling, and collaboration, there are better options available. Overall, SocialRank is worth considering for its simplicity and follower-focused approach, but it falls short in versatility. If you want a more comprehensive solution, check out our recommended tool, which you can try completely free.